everyone, I'm Gauri Yadav and welcome to Gauri's Cloud Group. I hope you all are doing well. And today marks the day 4 of our computer networking journey and let's kick things off. Hello everyone, I'm Gauri.
Let's look at the list of topics we are going to learn in this session. Question number 1: what are nodes? Question number 2: types of nodes. Question number 3: node functions, connecting the dots.
Have you ever stopped to think about the invisible forces connecting your devices? Those unsung heroes are called nodes, the building blocks of every network you use.
Without nodes, your laptop would not chat with your phone, your computer would not connect to the internet, and your entire digital world would crumble like a stack of unconnected Legos. Think of nodes as the digital post office workers tirelessly sorting and delivering information packets to the right destinations. Now let's move on to our next question, that is type of nodes. Not all nodes are created equal. Let's dive into the two main types of the busy bees, known as active nodes, and the helpful assistants called passive nodes. Active nodes are the powerhouses. They are like your friendly neighborhood router, always busy, routing traffic and keeping the network humming. Passive nodes might seem quiet, but they are like the reliable couriers, simply amplifying or forwarding data, ensuring it reaches its final destination. Now let's move on to our next question, that is node functions connecting the dots. Imagine a very big city. Servers are the towering skyscrapers, clients are the eager pedestrians, and nodes are the bustling intersections keeping everyone connected. Think about your online life. Every time you check your email, stream a movie, or chat with a friend, you are witnessing the magic of nodes in action. Now look at some ways in which nodes can function. First, servers. Second, clients. Third, peer computers. Imagine skyscrapers not just housing offices, but towering data centers with a lot of information. That's where servers live, constantly working like tireless librarians, managing mountains of files, websites, and applications. Every email you send, every video you watch, every online purchase you make passes through these watchful giants. Second, clients. Think of a lot of people in a city on streets as the eager clients, constantly seeking information and resources. Your laptop, smartphone, even your smart TV, they are all clients reaching out to servers like dedicated shoppers requesting the digital goods they need. And just like a good shopping experience, nodes ensure those requests reach the right server quickly and efficiently. Third, computers. Not all communication goes through towering skyscrapers. Sometimes neighbors directly exchange information. Imagine friends sharing files on a local network. Two computers directly sending each other movies or documents. These are peer computers bypassing the central server and creating their own mini network of shared resources. Nodes act as friendly street corners, enabling this peer to peer collaboration. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of computer networking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content Until next time, stay connected.